All right. Our in-page navigation app is coming together. It's making more sense now. So now let's add more functionality before we continue building it. So I want to click on this and I want you to open this for me. So I'm going to come here and open the selection where the button is. I'm going to go to the shape. Okay, I named it the bullet. So that's the shape there. So let's just click on it and you see the action here. So go to the action, check that, and make sure you select bookmark, then select what you want it to show. I want it to show expand, and that is all. So let's just come and click on this now. You can see, hold your control and click here. So let's hold our control and click there, and as you can see, that works. So we want to add another action on this. So then we'll click this, it takes us back to the home page. So same thing goes for that. It's back to home page. That's the name of the button there. So let's add an action to it. I want it to be bookmark, and I want it to take us back to show home page. So I think let's click on this now. You see, it brings us back to our home page. If I click this, it opens up this, and I click this, it takes us back to our home page. So you can see everything's coming together. So let's create another different app for. Let's create another different page. I mean, for our help. So let me add another shape here. Let me expand this. Let me add another shape. Sorry. So I'm gonna make this cover all of these places here, and it's a shape. So shape format, style. I like gray color. Let's have personal likeness for it. And I don't need to have a border, but I don't need to have a text. So I'm gonna say welcome. Let me see what I'm typing. Welcome to help page. Let's make it bold. Let's change the color so that we can see it. We just choose dark and you can see it now. So my favorite font, and let's increase this. So we want to add another button here that is going to take us back to the home page. So let's add another button here, another back button here. Let me just put it. Where is it? Let's put it right top right corner. Let's make it a little bit big, and I just want a small change, which is the color. I'm sorry about that. I want it to be white. Doesn't really appear. It doesn't look good. So let's change to something else. I think dark is better. So let's add an action on it. Let's go back to our selection, and need to add a bookmark here. So let's add a bookmark here so that we can have everything all together. So we have the button and this. We don't need to name this because this is just the list I'm going to be doing in this page. So just add a bookmark here. Why am I always adding two bookmarks at the same time? Let's call this show help. Is that right? Yeah. So let's go ahead and update this to this. Let's add an action on this. Okay, so let's add an action on this. I want you to go back to the home page. Let's show home page, right? Now let's click on it. Now it takes us to our home page. So now let's add an action on this. Now add an action on this, and want it to be a bookmark. We want it to take us to show help page. If you're confused along the way, just go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So here we just added some actions on this, because in the first two videos we're building the in-page navigation in Power BI. So now we just added some navigation on it. So now if I click on this, you can see this toggles up. Let me close this Q&A. If I click on this, it takes me back to the home page, and if I click on this, it takes me to the help page, and if I click on this, it brings me back to the home page. So you can see this is what we have added in this video. This is what we'll be able to accomplish. So if I click this, bring me to the help page, this brings me back to the home page, this open up this, and this closes back. So in our next video, we are going to work on the pages of the overview, the sales, and the profit. I'm going to add some little visuals, and we'll round up our project. See you guys in the next video.